Hello guys, I'm Sheldon. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can upload your program to STM32 wirelessly with this little APC220, I think. Actually you need a pair of this. This is a serial converter which allows you to communicate with your computer. So let's switch it to the Windows system and do a little configuration of the little gadget with the official configuration tool first. Oh, actually what you need to do now is to connect the serial converter. The first thing is the 5V and the ground. You have to connect it correspondingly to the APC220. The next thing is the serial pins. You have to connect the TX of one device to the RX of the other device. So let's jump to the Windows system now. Alright, so now the first thing is to plug your USB serial converter into the laptop. Alright. So you actually what you need to do is to right click this software and it will show up. So probably there is something wrong with this software. Sometimes it cannot recognize the device, but you want to try it more actually. Yeah. So now, I recommend you to plug the serial port in first before opening the software. Still, it cannot read. What you need to do is to keep the converter connected to the laptop and replug the APC. So what you need to do now is just read it, and you can see my settings. The most important thing is that you need to set the serial rate to the highest one so it would be faster. Another thing to pay attention to is the serial parity. You might want to set it to odd parity or even parity. It would raise the accuracy of the data transmission, so it would not go wrong when you download the file. Upload a file actually. One more thing to pay attention to is that you have to configure both the APC into the same configuration. I mean for the net parameters and RF parameters. Alright, so after the configuration, you may want to run the settings into the APC with the click of the right button. Alright, now let's go back to Mac OS system. Actually, you can keep using Windows if you like, but first thing first, you have to connect one of the APC220 to the serial 1 of the STM32, which is I think as far as I can remember is the PA9 and 10 pin. So I have already connected it in my circuit board. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just simply gonna plug it in. So it's now connected. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna plug my battery in here, as you can see. So I'm gonna press this button which connects the boot pin to the 3.3 volt voltage pin, and I'm gonna press reset button and release the reset button, putting the STM32 into bootload. The next thing to do is to connect the APC220 to my computer. Alright, so I'm gonna hold this here to let you see. So the next thing to do is to open up the STM32 Cube programmer. In the last video, I showed you guys how to upload it with the USB. This time we're gonna select the UART. So we're gonna select the parity to odd, and the baud rate is it's the same as this configuration we just made. For the serial port, we have to select the one which is your device. Okay, so we're gonna click connect, and it's gonna connect successfully. We're gonna open up a blinky LED as well, and we're gonna click download. Alright, so his file is already downloaded. So if I press the reset button here, you can see that the LED is blinking as well. I promise this was not from the last tutorial. This is a completely new one. You can try it yourself. So this is the video for today. Hope you learned something and hope you enjoy. If you do, please thumbs up and probably subscribe. Thanks. Bye.